I'm getting ready to order some more filament, the colors that I want, as well as different materials for different projects. I picked these up off of Amazon, and they've turned out to be a pretty good deal, I think. They were $45 for 6 of these, so I ordered 2 boxes. And the box themselves, the plastic, it's really kind of supple. It's not that rigid so it would crack. But not only did it come with the box itself, it came with a hydrometer for each one. So 6 of these with the battery in it, ready to go. It also came with labels and a pin to fill out the labels. And it came with 2 reusable desiccant packs for each box. So it's a complete kit. So like I said, $45 for 6 of these, clear, so when I stock them up here, I can see what they are. I do think I want to look at each material, find out what the ideal reading is, and write that on the label too, so I can compare it looking at the hydrometer right there. I'm going to adjust this shelf right here down a little bit so that I can get these on this level. So I have 2 levels. I got plenty of room to do that. But that ought to really help me keep them organized. And then I've got room down below where I can put more. I'm finding the more I print, the more I want different materials and different colors. Like I want some of the clean material. That's the ones for doing stuff for your kitchens and to be around food. I want to get all of those colors. So with my shelf set up here and down below, I think I can get them adjusted and get quite a selection. And if they're laid out like this, it'll be really easy for me to pull this out and drop it right in the AMS. And this is so easy to load. I don't have to cut any filament or any waste. Hi, I'm Ron Paulk, and this is the Smart Wood Shop. The Smart Wood Shop is a highly efficient, organized, designed over decades rolling toolbox that I can take to the job and have a no compromise wood shop when I get there. But if you've dropped in because of the 3D printing, that's brand new to us, and it's going to be a lot of fun to learn how to integrate that into the Smart Wood Shop. If you'd like to get detailed plans to build a Smart Wood Shop for yourself, or the Smart Bench, which is, as you notice, mobile, it can be pushed around on the job site or in the wood shop like this. But once I get it to where I want it and I need it stable, it's just a lift, let go, and now it doesn't move. Same thing for the Smart Station. This is the tool bench that has router tables, table saw, sander, other bench tools that'll fit in because it's modular, as well as the miter saw. And just like the Smart Bench, the Smart Station is mobile when I need it to be, and a lift, drop, and it's locked in solid. But what's really cool is all of this collapses down into a cube on wheels, those wheels right over there, and rolls right into the aisle of the Smart Wood Shop. So when I get to the job, I have a complete, no compromise wood shop with me to do the job. If you'd like to get yourself a detailed set of plans to build yourself one of these benches, any of the accessories that go with the system, or the Smart Wood Shop itself, there is a link in the description of this video down below, as well as a QR code. You can go there, purchase plans or package of plans, and download them right now. This is the kit here. The hydrometers, again, 1 for each box. So I got 6 of these in each kit. And then these little sticky bumpers that you peel and stick onto the face of these, and then they'll stick right inside the box there so you can see it clearly and it won't just fall away. Labels, pen to fill out the labels, 2 packs of reusable desiccant, and then a tubing cutter. This is for that, the tubing that the filament goes through. You have to cut it a certain way, and I was actually going to order one of these, and I did not see that it came with this, so when I unboxed it, I had it there. So now, because I ordered 2 boxes, I'll have 2 of these as well. So there's a few perks there. I don't think they were cutting any corners. I will put a link to the ones I ordered in the description down below. So at least if you order them, you'll get exactly what I got. I will say that it took a while to get them. I ordered them, and I think it was about 8 or 10 days before they arrived. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Mahalo.